DP Rinseless Wash Gloss provides an easy and effective way to wash your entire vehicle without using any water. Formulated using extremely lubricating washing agents, DP Rinseless Wash Gloss gently removes surface contamination such as dirt, dust, road grime, and more from the surface without micro scratching. DP Rinseless Wash Gloss leaves behind a slick layer of hydrophobic protection that prevents water spotting and smearing. This concentrated formula can also be diluted to act as a quick clay lubricant or quick detailer. Used on a cool surface out of direct sunlight, dilute 1 ounce of DP Rinseless Wash Gloss with 2 gallons of water. Completely submerge microfiber towels or dedicated rinseless wash mitt in the solution and wipe the surface. Use another dry microfiber or Guzzler waffle weave drying towel to wipe away and to buff to a high shine. Dilute 2 ounces of product with 32 ounces of water to create a quick detailer or clay lubricant. Highly lubricating for safe cleaning. Leaves behind a slick hydrophobic finish. Can be diluted for multi-use solutions. DP Detailing Products. Exceptional car care products for the professional, enthusiast, and everyday driver.